So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us this easy to do beginner friendly drafting of an handkerchief dress. I tell you, you're going to love it because it's one of the easiest patterns to learn as a beginner. So without wasting further of our time, let's jump right in. So to start with, I'll be requiring about 3 yards of my yellow African print fabric, and then also I used my brown fabric to design it as well. So I'd already gone ahead to cut out my fabric into separate pieces, okay, which is what I'm showing to us right now. So this fabric is actually in a rectangular shape. In other words, two sides are equal. So one of the sides which I'm taking the measurement now is 60 inches, while the other side is 30 inches. Okay, so that will be the length and the breadth of our rectangular fabric which I've cut in two. Then I went straight ahead to pipe the edges with this brown fabric. So this is optional. You could leave yours that way. As you can see, it's already neatly done. Okay, so I didn't bother to show the tutorial on how I attached this. So you can see it's in a 4-corner shape, but it's actually a rectangular fabric. So from the very top there, you could see that there is a gaiter there. I actually folded to get the middle of this fabric. So that gaiter there, which I indicated with my finger, is the middle of my fabric. Okay, so take note of that. I ironed it out so I would not have difficulty getting the middle of my fabric. So from the middle there, I'm taking the measurement so as to know where it actually started from. So that's what I'm simply using my chalk to do now. So I'm going to be taking a measurement from the middle there to 9 inches to my left and also to my right. Okay, so please take note of that. A measurement of 9 inches to my left and to my right. Okay, and then from where my finger is now, I'm going to be running stitches to the end on both sides, leaving out the place for the measurement. So first I went ahead to turn my fabric to the wrong sides facing each other. So the actual measurement I took before was on the right side, so I flipped it over to retake my measurements again. Okay, so from this measurement point now, it's about 18 inches. I'm going to leave that place open while I stitch from my finger there now to the end, and then I'll be repeating it for the other side as well. So now I'm done stitching and I'm simply flipping it over and making it wide open so you can see the opening at the middle there. I just hope you understand. So this is the opening of the measurement we took then, okay, of 18 inches. So what I'm simply going to be doing now is making a fold around that opening there. So I'm going to fold each side inward and run a stitch across it, as you see me indicate with my finger. So I'll also be repeating the process for the other side. So you could decide to run the stitch all through to the end, okay? So now I'm done doing that, and as you can see, it's already looking neatly done. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is take a measurement from that midpoint again of 4.5 inches. So that measurement I'm taking from the gaiter there is 4.5 inches. So this I will do for both sides as you see me indicate now. Okay, so that's 4.5 inches on the left, 4.5 inches on the right. So I'll be doing it at the top this way and then also at the base. Okay, so this point here is where I'm going to be attaching my strap right now. Like I said, it's a simple outfit. easy to do drafting. So I'm simply holding my strap in place using my pins now. Okay, so I'll also be attaching the other straps to the other side, and I'll simply go ahead to the sewing machine to run my stitches on the strap there. So after I was done running my stitches, this is what a handkerchief strap dress is looking like. I simply dropped it from the strap area, and then the remaining opening there is going to serve as our armhole area. So you could see that at the base of it, the fabric is longer at different portions. So this is basically it for the making of our handkerchief dress. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial video. To all of our viewers, thank you for joining in today, and in case it's your first time, you're welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button, give your girl a thumbs up. You could leave us a comment below in the comment section. So I'll be seeing us on the next one. Until then, stay fabulous.